All right, we got all the brackets trimmed on the trailer. We are gonna cut this piece of metal down to length. We've got 86 inches total. We're gonna have a 46-inch center section and 20-inch on each side ramps to drive up on. Got some relief cuts about halfway through, maybe a little bit more, and then I'm gonna bend the radiuses the way I want to go over the tire. This is 8 inches tall, and then we'll pick up the edges so that way it's the same on each side. What do you think? That'll do?
Yeah.
Alright, don't let it fall on your head. The stand-up backing plate to go from the trailer to the fender. We're going to see how it fits. Alright, we're getting somewhere now. As they say, we're cooking with gas. Alright guys, this is the final product. At least shape anyways. It's not completely welded, and I'm gonna add some more supports in there, mostly right here on the edges just to hold them up and stuff. But this is what I've got going so far. Here's what they look like all finished up. Slap some paint on them and call it done. Also installed some D-rings on each corner of the trailer just to make it a little bit easier to tie the truck down whenever we're going places. A lot better than the stake pockets. Here we go guys. Here's an after video, after paint, and how everything turned out. I'm really happy with them. I might make a video here loading the truck up too in the future just to show you kind of the process of why I made them this way. But now I've got some sturdy ramps to drive the truck up and over with, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.